Hello, good morning everyone. I am Gayatri Manwade, lecturer in ADFT JPW Hubli. In last previous sessions, we have learnt about human anatomy, introduction, knowledge, divisions of Ated's theory. Then last session was on colors, a second unit of fashion designing theory subject, and the code is 20 FT13T. Now let us continue with the same thing. Let us see what are the properties of colors. Properties of colors are hue, value, saturation and intensity. What is hue? Hue is the name of pure color. Hue is a thing or a property which means that the color, how originally it perform or it give the richness and brightness and the feel of the color and how it attracts the persons. The pure hue examples are red, blue or yellow, the original colors or primary colors which are not created by mixing any other colors. They have their particular origin. And hue refers to the dominant color family and origin of the color we can see. By using the pure hue, we can change the color value and we can add brightness or we can decrease hue quality. We can use the pure color or we can change its intensity also to use in our clothing. Let us see what is value. Value is the lightness or darkness of the hue or a pure color. The value of a hue can be changed by adding black or white. Light values of colors are called as tints. Darker values of colors are called shades. Now see the examples in this image. Now if we mix white with red color in certain quantity, it will change its value. It will turn to pink. The result will be pink. How much quantity we are going to add white? In that, the change of value takes place. It depends upon the addition of white. But the origin doesn't change. Origin of the hue, it won't get changed. Only the value of the hue will get changed over here. If we add white to any colors, it will change its value. It will give the lighter tint. For light shades we call tints. And if we add black to any color, it gives darker value. Means, for example, if we add black with red in certain quantity, it gives the shade of maroon. So it increases its value over there. If the lighter shade it gives, the value will decrease to some extent. If we add black, it turns to shade. We call it as shade. There it increases the value of the color. So it gives darker shade. Now next is saturation. Saturation is also called as chroma. A chrome, however we can pronounce it. chroma or chrome. It measures of purity of color or how sharp or dull the color appears. Saturating in the sense, after adding white or black, the color will go in the saturation. The relatively purity or saturation of a color is its intensity, sometimes referred to as chroma. The dimension describes the strength of the color. Saturation is nothing but it can add the strength to the color or it can decrease the strength of the color. Saturated colors are primary, secondary hues. The primary hues and the secondary hues are saturated colors because they are strong colors. They are strong colors and they have gained some strong position in the color wheel also. They are highlighting colors. They highlight more. They are having rich in quality. Each hue has a range of saturation from full intensity. Some colors will have full intensity and some will be having saturated intensity. Next is intensity. Intensity is nothing but to giving or to adding the richness, dullness or brightness to the original hue. Pure hues are high intensity colors. The hues which are available naturally, for example red, yellow and blue, these are the primary colors. These colors will be having more pure intensity. And dull hues are low intensity colors. Dull hues are nothing but when we add gray to any color, it gives the dull hue. So those hues are of less or low intensity. Intensity of color changed by adding or varying the amounts of its complementary color. For example, make bright green duller a little bit of red could be added to it. If we add green and red color, it gives the dull shade. If we want to increase its value, we can give lighter tint to it, then it will increase its intensity. That is the quality of intensity of any hue. Next, shade. What is shade now? Shade is nothing but the shades are created by adding black to any color. So, to the base color or else any colors among the color wheel, 36 colors wheel will be there and 12 colors wheel will be there, 24 colors wheel, primary color wheel, secondary color wheel and even tertiary color wheel will be there. So in color wheel, if we take any color or if we choose any color to create some shades, we should add black in certain quantity to it. Then it gives the shade of that particular hue. For example, if we add black in certain quantity with red color or red hue, it gives maroon shade. If you go on increasing the quantity of adding black, it gives the darker shade, different darker shade in varying quantity. or deeper or richer colors will be created by adding the black. Now tint. What is tint? This tint is created by adding white to the base hue. White to the base hue. So these light shades are very enhancing and beautiful. These light shades will be having less intensity and useful when balancing more with vivid color combinations in creating designs or in combining with any other darker shades. It looks very attractive. If we add white with any color in varying quantities, it will give the lighter shades. For example, red. Red, if we add white with red color, it gives the tint of pink, varying shades of pink colors. Pink is very rich color and it's a romantic color. It's very attractive and beautiful color. The next is tones. What is tone? A tone is created by adding gray. Gray. What is gray now? Gray color. Gray is the result of adding black and white in equal quantity. It gives gray shade. So this base gray is added with any base hue. It gives the tone. Tones are subtler versions of the original color. Tones are less likely to look pastel and can reveal complexities not apparent in the base color. These are not so apparent colors because these are dull with low intensity only. Richness will be less. But if we combine with any attractive and bright colors, these go well along with them. So, thank you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this session. Let us see you in the next session. Thank you.